A market is a regular gathering of people for the purchase and sales of provisions, livestock and other commodities, and without a single doubt, a market is an integral part of every nation, and Nigeria isn't an exception. Today, we will be taking you through some of the biggest and most popular markets that Nigeria can boast of. Without further ado, let's get into today's business, and don't forget to let us know which markets should or shouldn't have made this list. Number 1. Onitsha International Main Market, Anambra State. This is the largest market in Nigeria and West Africa at large. You are assured that you are getting any kind of product you need at an affordable rate. People from different parts of the country would always visit this market for their business transactions. Before we continue, please help us by subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification icon, for more updates like this. Number 2. Area International Market, Aba, Abia State. The second largest market in Nigeria. AKA, the China of Africa. Home to Naija Made. This is where you would see a lot of replicas of a lot of products ranging from fashion to home items, that are mostly seen in every market in Nigeria and Africa. It is one market that may get you missing, because of its large land mass. Number 3. Alaba International Market, Lagos State. If there is one market that would be ringing in your ears when you are in Lagos, it is Alaba International Market. This is the home to the biggest electronic products in the country. There is hardly an electronic device that you would miss here. Number 4. Idumota Market, Lagos State. Idumota Market is one of the oldest markets in Lagos State. From 6 a.m. till 5 p.m., there is always activities that seem unending in the market. It is sort of Nollywood marketplace, because most movie distributors and dealers are based here. Number 5. Komi Market, Kano State. Kano has one of the biggest markets in Nigeria called the Komi Market, founded by Muhammad Rumfa, a king of Kano, in the 15th century. The market has also lent its name to a football team. Number 6. Oja Oba or Orita Marine Market, Ibadan, Oyo State. This market, aka the King's Market, is one of the biggest foodstuffs markets in the ancient city of Ibadan. Number 7. Jos Main Market, Plateau State. Jos Main Market is known as the largest indoor market in the whole of West Africa. Beautifully arranged and designed to give you what you want to buy, without walking aimlessly for a long time. Number 8. Obeiti Main Market, Enugu State. You would love to visit this cool city market, which is the most beautiful large market in Nigeria, that has become the home to ladies who would want to save a lot of money when buying things for their family. It is the biggest market in Enugu State. Number 9. New Market, Aba, Abia State. Apart from Ariaria International Market, New Market is another big market that would always attract thousands of sellers and buyers every day, including Sundays. Number 10. Ukwo Inewi Market, Anambra State. AKA, the Japan of Africa, Inewi is the second largest urban space in Anambra State in southeastern Nigeria. Inewi as a metropolitan city is home to the Innocent Vehicle Producing Company, which is second to the biggest after Main Market, Onitsha in Anambra State. Number 11. Bodija Market, Ibadan, Oyo State. This is a very popular market in Ibadan, and offers you a lot of things at a very affordable rate.